how to enable ChatGPT notification alerts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want notifications from ChatGPT, then you'll need to change your phone settings first. So, head over to settings and then go to notifications. There, scroll down and then search for ChatGPT. Just tap on it. And then you'll need to toggle on allow notifications. Now you can choose whether you want the alerts in lock screen, notification center, or banners, or you can choose all three. Just tap on it and put a check mark. And then you can tap on banner style and you can choose whether you want it to be temporary or persistent. And then you can also toggle on sounds and badges. And then you can also choose to show previews. This, if it is set to always, then it will show preview even when your phone is not unlocked. But if you tap on when unlocked, then you'll need to unlock your phone to see the previews. Or you can set it to never. And then you can also change the notification grouping if you want to. So, this is how you enable ChatGPT notification alerts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.